I got a tripod at Christmas, so let's paint something together. Getting my new tripod. Wanna try a tiger? Sketching. I already lost the original tiger picture, but we'll make the best out of it. Coloring time. Let's start with black. Now orange. Trust the process. I start with the background now. Just need to add some extras. Almost done. My signature. Not complete without the date. The moment you all have been waiting for. I've never painted a tiger with acrylic paints before, so let me know if you like it and want me to paint something different.